Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I have a 2012 Lincoln Navigator and I will show you the starter, fuse and relay location. This video will apply to third generation of Lincoln Navigators made from 2009 all the way up to 2014. Both the fuse and the relay will be located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood. Very easy accessible, it's right here. Now, to leave this cover, you will have two black tabs, one on the right side, one on the left side. So you want to press both of them and leave the cover up. On the back side of the cover, you will also have a small fuse diagram. Now, the fuse you want to check, it's a fuse number 13, which is a 30 amp fuse located right here. And this is the fuse responsible for power to the starter relay. And starter relay is just above this fuse right here. It's a relay number 2. Now the best way probably to test this relay is just try replacing it with any relay of the same kind and see if that makes a difference. If it does, then just buy a new relay and have it replaced. If both of the fuse and the relay are good, then you will have to do a bit deeper diagnostics and start looking towards the starter itself and the possible wiring issue. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.